If you've ever wanted to create your own press-on nails but weren't sure how to get started, then this video is for you. Because I'm gonna make sure by the end of this video that you have everything you need to get started. Zero experience required. Hi, I'm Shannon. I'm a DIY nail art enthusiast, and I create my own press-on nails using only affordable products. And I'm gonna show you how you can do the same. It is super easy to spend a lot on nail art accessories, but you do not need to spend a lot of money to get started when making your own press-on nails at home. I'm gonna show you the exact starter tools I use to make press-ons at home. And all these tools are available on Temu and Amazon, and I'll put the links in the description. When sizing your tips, make sure they fit sidewall to sidewall. Once you've sized out your tips, apply them to your nail stand. To avoid developing an allergy, make sure you're always wearing gloves. Do any necessary filing or buffing using your file and buffer. Then apply a base coat to your nail tips. Then apply thin layers of your desired gel polish colors. In your nail lamp, dry each layer of gel polish for at least 60 seconds. Use your dotting tools or nail art brushes to create any desired nail art. And always dry in your nail lamp for at least 60 seconds. When you're done your nail art, apply your top coat. Then it's time to prep your nails. Use a buffer to gently buff your nails and use a cuticle pusher to push back your cuticles, which of course I forgot to film. Then use rubbing alcohol to dehydrate and clean your nails before applying your nail glue. This is actually a really important step. Next, apply your nail glue or your nail stickers. If you're using nail glue, apply a thin amount to the nail and then apply a thin amount to the nail tip. Press the tip onto your nail and hold there for at least 30 seconds. And then your tips are on. Once you have your basic tools, you can literally make any design you want. From minimalist nails to maximalist fandom nail art like I create. I like making press-on nails because I'm able to easily and frequently change my look without damaging my nails. Plus, if I really like a design I create, I can save them to wear again at a later date. Creating your own press-on nails is an easy and affordable way to create a pro-looking manicure at home. So now you know everything you need to know to create your own press-on nails at home. Plus, it's really fun. That's why I do it. It's just fun. So check out the links in my description to get the tools that you need. And if you love fun nail art and DIY tips, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Bye.